Hello, CQ contest. Kilowatt Victor Zero Queen.
Okay, this weekend is the ARRL 10-meter contest. And the purpose of a contest is not for everybody. The purpose of a contest is to make as many contacts on 10 meters as possible. You can use, sideband and CW and digital, whatever. Now, when I make videos on contests in the past, people jump all over my ass. They're like, it's stupid, it's dumb. Well, it's not for everybody. However, the reason I get on contesting is because that's the only time that you're going to find a lot of these stations on the air. This is December 13th, 2025. It'll be going until tomorrow, December 14th. And once the contest is over, 10 meters goes back quiet. As a technician, you can get on 28.3 to 28.5 and work all over the world on this contest. With the help of my World Radio League here, this is awesome. I've made a video on this before. This is my online logbook. This is the new era of ham radio is WRL. You gotta check out this video. What's cool about this is in logbooks, or let's say contests, it'll give you an idea of what contests are here and what are coming up. I am enrolled in the 10-meter ARRL contest, enrolled through World Radio League. And look, we have other ones coming up. RAC Winter Contest, D-Star QSO Party. World Radio League is great because it'll allow me, it just makes a logbook. And, I could go back and look. And if you want to compete for points and stuff, you can do that. Well, I am on this logbook right here. Okay, let's see. Logbook. ARRL 10 meter. Okay, so I made a couple contacts just doing this. Tomorrow is going to be a better day because it will be, we're looking at almost gray line right now. I was on FT8 a little bit, just seeing what my antenna is doing, what the propagation is doing. Now, I'm just going to show you what a contest does or how I make the exchange. There's a guy on here on 28.336, and as a tech, you could totally work this guy. And it may be a very lackluster for you, but it's a contact, and you can see exactly what your antenna is doing and fill up your logbook if you choose to do so. So I'm going to put the information in here, and for the exchange, that'll be states. So for me to talk to this person in the state, not 9 times out of 10, you give them a 5.9. I know people get pissed off at that too because, it's not an actual signal report. So I can give it. He's 5.9. Look at him. So this person is calling CQ contest, which indicates you are actively looking for contacts during the contest.
Hello, CQ contest. Kilowatt Victor Zero Queen. Kilo Victor Zero Queen.
Kilo Juliet 4, Yankee Zulu India.
Yankee Zulu India, 5.9 Colorado.
Thank you. You're 5.9 Florida.
Yeah, what's your prefix?
Kilo Juliet 4, Yankee Zulu India. Good signal here in Florida.
Thank you. 5.9 Colorado. QRZ, Kilo Victor Zero Queen.
So what I basically did was, if I can move this here, okay, you can see that I have his call sign in here. The signal I give him. An exchange would be the state. He's in Colorado. And the frequency, and I'll log that contact. And there it is in my logbook. But, like I said, let me go back here and find one more station here just to give you an idea. They're calling CQ contest because they're not wanting a rag chew. So that is etiquette for you to be on a contest that you just want to knock out as many as possible. And if you're a award chaser or a points chaser, then you can do that. If you're not, there are places like the work bands, 12, 17, and 30 meter bands where you cannot contest. So you can go to 12, 17, or 30 and have rag chews without having to deal with contests. Now tomorrow I'm going to show you when I'm going to start my own contest station tomorrow and probably have a pile up my mid-morning, and I'll show you what it's like when it's wide open and busy on 10 meters. I'll make, 50, 60 contacts tomorrow, and then I'll be satisfied for my contesting, Let me see what else we got here.
Sierra Delta.
Kilo Juliet 4, Yankee Zulu India.
Kilowatt Juliet 4.
Kilo Juliet 4, Yankee Zulu India, 5.9 Florida.
Kilowatt Juliet 4, Yankee Zulu India, 5.9 South Dakota.
Thank you for South Dakota.
Your state, please.
Florida.
Florida. Thanks. W0 Sierra Delta.